Hello, I'm Miss Brown, your media specialist here at Wheaton. Welcome to the Media Center Workroom Makerspace. You will be coming down here to cut out letters and shapes for PBL and other projects. So this video is to show you how to use the space. First, this is the Accucut machine. This is what you'll be using, and these behind me are the dies. I have 4 different alphabet fonts and many more dies that will be in here when you come to visit. Please bring your own paper with you when you come, but if you don't have paper, if you just follow me, we do have bulletin board paper that's here on this roll, and if you need help tearing it off, just ask me. I'm an expert at it. Also, we have a scrap box. It's right over here on the counter, and you're free to use paper that's here, and any paper that's big enough, when you finish you can put it in here, because we're a green school and we try to take care of our resources. What I find is helpful is to cut the paper down to the approximate size of the dies. It's much easier. Here I've already folded a piece of paper, and I'm going to use one of these 2 paper cutters to cut the paper. When using the paper cutter, be very careful because these blades are sharp. So if you have long hair, jewelry, or clothing, make sure none of that is in the path of the blade. I'm going to cut this quickly. I'm cutting on the folded lines. It's easier if you fold it. And once I'm finished, I'm making sure the blade is in the down position. That is the safest place for this to be. Now I'm going to return over to where the Accucut machine is and show you how easy it is to make letters and shapes to enhance your projects. I'm just going to use this letter A, the collegiate font, and what you need to know is that there's a blade inside this, so always be careful when using this machine. And if you use a jumbo size, make sure you fit it properly on the tray. A key thing to remember is that you're going to do hard surface to hard surface. That's what you remember, because if you do it backwards, you could damage the machine. Second thing is you take your paper, you lay it on top of the rubber of the die, you place it on the tray, you push the tray forward until the die hits the roller, which is here, and then you just turn it. And voila, you have your letter. It's that easy and simple. So any scratch paper that you can't use, you immediately put it in the recycling box, and this can go clockwise or counterclockwise. I just repeat what I did before, but just turn it. This time I'm turning it clockwise. And once again, voila, I have my letter. Once I'm finished, and once you pull all your letters, you're going to put this in the recycling box. You're going to put all the letters away, making sure they're in ABC order and easy to read. Any XX paper you're going to discard. And if you have big scraps like this, you're going to put them in the scrap box, because we want to make sure we use our resources wisely. If you have any questions at any time, feel free to ask me or other media staff such as Miss On or Miss Hoffman. We're available before school, during lunch, and after school. Just come and let us know you need to use the space. Thank you so much, and we look forward to seeing you soon.